Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Hulu account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in hulu.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Hulu login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the login page of Hulu available over here. Click over there and you can see it's the login page of Hulu itself, and this is the direct login page, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of Hulu itself. Now to log into your Hulu account from over here, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and now you can see both of these pages have the same login interface, whereas you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on Hulu at the time of creating your account, and click on login to sign into your Hulu account. Or if you have forgotten your password of your Hulu account, you can see the forgot your email or your password over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your email or password depending upon which one you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.